What is up, guys, and welcome back. So in this video we're going to be moving on with our homepage. So before moving on with our homepage right here, we basically need to focus on this header right here. We need to create a menu right here so that we can add a menu of pages that we want to add. So there should be a homepage and then the services page or the portfolio page or something like that, and also a contact us page. So I want to add these pages right here, and after that I need to work on my home page. Okay, so these are the menu stuff that this is important. This is the background, which is important. I want to change the color of this, I want to change the color of this, and I basically want to customize these and these settings. So we'll be doing this in this video. So let's get started. First of all, what I have to do, I have to just go to customize, and after just hitting this, it's going to take me to the customize page where I can manage everything. Okay, so we're going to be overviewing our customize section right here. We're going to be working up with our website right here. You can see how the customize works. You guys already know about it. Okay, so here we go, and here should be the site, and here we go. You can see that everything is right here. So the number one that we have is the site identity. Okay, in the site identity I can change this. I can change the site title, I can change the tagline. So for the tagline, I'm gonna be moving up with WordPress developer and SEO expert. Okay, so I can write here WordPress developer or full stack web developer, full stack web developer and SEO expert. Okay, so you can manage with this, okay, if you want to, but I'll be just going up with a WordPress developer and SEO expert. Okay, WordPress developer and SEO expert. I'm gonna go ahead, I'm gonna hit publish, and there we go. You can see that my site URL should be changed. I'm gonna go back, and now here in the menu section I basically want to create a new menu, and then I want to assign it right here. So we're not gonna go here directly, but what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna tell you another method. Okay, and that is to just go to iTunesEal.com. Okay, and then we have to go to the dashboard of our website. Okay, and then we have to go to the menu section. Don't use the customizer menu, just always try to use this type of menu, because here it would give you some more customization. Okay, so what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna create a new menu, and this menu is gonna be menu 1. So this menu name is not gonna appear here, so you can name it anything you want. You can also name it as your girlfriend name. So it totally depends upon you. Okay, what you have to do, you have to just hit create menu, and there I am. In this, we have to now basically add new sections right here. So first of all, I want to just go to the custom links. So here I can add pages, I can add post, I can add custom links, I can add categories, I can add menu icon settings. So basically, let's go ahead and let's create some pages so that we can add them right here. So I need a page, and that should be homepage, about page, contact us, privacy policy, and something like that. So I need a homepage first. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead, I'm gonna hit publish. For the second page I want to add is services. Okay, and for the third page I want to publish it. Let's go to add new again, and the third page should be contact me. So this is my profile website. Just basically, the first website that we're creating is about me, is about my profile. That's why I'm creating this contact me. I'm not adding the contact us. There's a difference between contact me and contact us. So you should also create a page that should be about me, not about us. So if you have created, no, I haven't created. So I have home, services, contact me, and terms and conditions, not terms, privacy policy. No, okay, we'll create it when we want anyone. So about me section can be added, about me. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead, I'm gonna hit publish. Or you can just name it as about. Let's just come here. Let's come here. Let's remove. Let's hit OK. And let's gonna go ahead and hit publish. There we go. We're done with our pages. Now I'm gonna go ahead. I'm gonna come here and I'm gonna refresh this page basically so that all the pages are loaded. Here we go. You can see that the pages are coming. So I need this home page. I need services, and I also need contact me. Okay. I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna hit add to menu. Here we go. I want to bring this to top right here, and the services should be right here, and this navigation label should be contact instead of contact me. Okay, and I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna hit save. Okay, and I basically need to display this onto the main area. Okay, so it should be the main. This is called basically the main area. This is the top area, this is the footer, and this is the mobile. So if you want to show different menu for mobile, I'll show you later on when we will be doing the mobile optimization. So I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna hit save, and now let's come here and let's view our website. So here we go. You can see that this is how it is working. We have our home page, we have our services, and then we have our contact us page. We are totally done with our menu section. We can create some different menu. We can show them right here above. So if I want to add a new menu, I can just come here. I can hit create a new menu. I can name it as the top menu. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead, I'm gonna hit enter, and then here I can add some other things, like if I want to add the terms and conditions page or something like that. So what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna go ahead, I'm gonna hit this, and here I'm gonna just hit hashtag, and I'm gonna link it as link text should be terms and conditions. So basically hashtag is used if you don't want to add any page right now, but you will add it later. So that is why we use the hash. Okay, and then we need the privacy policy. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead, I'm gonna hit enter, and so this is how you can create it. I'm gonna assign this to be as the home top bar, and I'm gonna hit save menu. So now if I just come here and I refresh this, you're gonna see this is the terms and conditions, and this is the privacy policy that is coming here. So you can add about section right here, about terms and conditions, or if you want to add login, register, if you are creating like multi-register website, I showed you that how can your clients register on your website in the general if you want that section to be enabled. So you can add something like that. Okay, so this is how it works. The top menu works, this main menu, and then the last menu we have is the footer. So if I just assign this to be footer, assign this to as the footer as well, and I just come here and I refresh this, you're gonna see how this is gonna look. So you can see that it says terms and conditions, privacy policy. So I think this looks great on here, right here. This basically is looking amazing. So I can remove it from the top bar because I don't think so if I need it on the top bar. For the top bar, you can create a new menu. Okay, I'm gonna change this to be as the footer menu because this is now assigned to the footer menu. Okay, here we go. Now we're totally done with our menus. We guys now know how menu works, how we can create unlimited menus, how we can make everything. So you guys already know about site identity, and you guys also now know about the menus. So in the next video we'll be moving on with more stuff, with more detailed stuff. So stay tuned guys, and bye.